boy.
Hey, don't pick that up! Are you gonna pick that up?
Well, why not?
Because if you pick it up, you'll have to move your arm.
And if you move your arm, you might bump the boo-boo.
But Elmo wants to eat.
Well, of course you wanna eat.
So here's the way we're gonna do it.
We're gonna cooperate.
Yeah.
Cooperate?
Great. Number 1, Baby Bear will pick the sandwich up for you.
Pickle.
2, I will take a bite for you.
That's right. 3, he'll chew for you while I pick up the glass of milk for you.
Now, wait a
4, he'll take a sip for you.
And 5, we both swallow.
Okay, let's do it.
Hey, that's Elmo's sandwich.
1,
2,
3, 5,
Now, wait. Hey.
again.
1,
What?
2,
No, that's...
3,
Don't eat.
4,
Stop drinking.
and...
Elmo doesn't care about his boo-boo. Elmo wants to eat and play. And Telly and Baby Bear won't let Elmo eat or play. Telly and Baby Bear...
Look! Your bandage, Elmo.
Hey, it came off.
Yeah, it did.